Hello, everybody, and welcome to this year's Concours de Lamont. I'm your host, Dana Simone, and I am joined with Alan
Galbraith. Yes.
Galbraith, that's what I said.
And I am the head gasket for the Concours des Lamons.
So we got the chief, top of the top cheese
Indeed.
over here.
Yes. So what the Concours des Lamons is,
Yes,
it's a
please.
celebration of the oddball, mundane, and truly awful of the automotive world.
There's definitely some terrible ones here, so we'll have a lot to talk about, I think.
Yeah, every car has a story. The owners of these cars are just as passionate as the owners of a Ferrari or, a Delahaye tomorrow, sometimes even more so.
Oh, yeah, and their egos are like,
Yeah, and we can see what's going on here. We've got a repeat offender back from last year that is
Ooh.
working heavily on their Saturn. And what they're doing, I don't know. Let's check it out.
all right. Hey, guys, what's going on over here?
So,
We might be building a Saturn V rocket in your beautiful concourse grounds. Don't mind us. This is a Saturn V rocket prototype. So the story behind this car, if that last year's wasn't insane enough. So we were doing some research. We found the Saturn V rocket was prototyped off of a 1999 Saturn. Unfortunately, that was in Area 51. So over the winter, we broke into Area 51, stole the prototype Saturn V rocket. Now we're just restoring it to its former glory on the spot.
Well, it's definitely full of glory.
Tinfoil.
So is your plan to cover this whole thing in tinfoil before this is over?
My friend made a hat out of the tinfoil. If you put your camera over there, you can see my friend just made a hat.
Awesome.
No,
Cool
not
hat
the
skills.
thing, we might cover it in tinfoil if you have any left over, but
All right, cool. Well, I'm sure once people are done with their hot dogs, I'll make sure to send a request that they bring all the tinfoil for you guys.
this is the kind of creativity that we'd like to see at the Concours des Lamons.
Oh.
A Saturn, it's plastic, it's fantastic, but if you make it into a Saturn V rocket, it's all that much better.
And it even comes with a shark fin. Does it get any better than this?
It's a stabilizer.
Oh,
Yeah,
all right, all right.
yeah.
Nerd alert,
So,
sorry.
yeah, that is the vertical stabilizer. Well,
here, where's the camera crew?
Oh, we're right here.
they've
We're
run
on it.
away.
So yeah, they run away in fear. So these are definitely not propane can
Oh,
solid rocket.
Jesus.
These are actually real Rocketdyne R1 rocket boosters.
What could possibly go wrong with a
Wow.
couple of propane cylinders in
All
the
right,
back of
I'm
the
going
car?
to make sure to say
Yeah.
far to the other show
Don't worry,
field.
I mean, we're now equally as dangerous as the Ford Pinto.
I was going to say,
All
don't
right.
back into the Pinto. That's all
All right,
I
well,
can
thanks,
ask.
guys. Good
Thanks,
luck
guys.
today. All right, so what else do we got here?
That,
Ladder rock buses.
there-
Oh,
there
I see
are-
we have a vendor in the back.
Yes,
Concession stand serving up ice cream.
there's ice cream in the back corner.
I wouldn't eat that if my life depended on it, but who's asking
So
me?
we've kind of roughly grouped the cars by country of origin.
Okay.
And then we've broken it down a little bit further beyond that. This is our Rust Belt American Junk GM class.
yes.
So you have Chevys, you have Saturns, we've got buses, we've got Suburbans,
Okay.
and a little bit down the line we
Ooh,
have
look
our.
at the carpet in this one.
There are some specialty awards.
Wow, I'm sure that carpet costs more than the van, right?
Indeed.
Finest in stuff I found off of Craigslist.
Whoa, that's horrifying.
So there's some corporate awards sponsored by Haggerty today, and one of them is Best Back Seat, which
Okay.
I think this is a strong contender for.
Absolutely.
This is more of a back bed.
A back bed.
Or like
yes.
a back living room. You just need some chairs to set up and a toaster, maybe.
We're aiming for like all the pillows, basically.
Nice.
Oh my God, that would be
Kind
love
of
it.
a chill van
It's
in
like
the back.
it's like
yeah.
a hookah lounge.
Exactly.
So you
All
see,
right, see you guys. Thanks.
we have some foreign classes. This is our unmitigated Gaul class for French cars, of which only one was able to make it today, which is not uncommon.
So he's the destined French winner.
Yeah, there is a strong possibility we'll be seeing this at the awards ceremony later. But it's
Wow.
a Renault Encore S. And these were kind of a collaboration between Renault and American Motors.
Okay.
So the finest of French design combined with the build quality out of Kenosha, Wisconsin.
So I see a bus here. Can we check this out real quick?
This bus pulled in today and we're like, why is somebody bringing a bus?
We didn't have enough contestants, so we pulled this guy off the street.
But then you talk to the owners. Come out here, sir.
Hi.
What is your name?
I am Parker Conti.
Parker, and tell us about your bus here.
So this here is our 2002 Chevy Express school bus. We got it from a dealer in New Jersey off of Facebook Marketplace. It's me, him, and like 15 other high schoolers. We just wanted a project to do in our senior year. And so We've been tearing out the interior, and we're planning on making it a road trip vehicle. So,
Wow. What do you hope to accomplish today? So you got a lot of tools in here.
So our plan is to make a bench seat that goes from the fridge to the end of the wheel right there. What else do we want to do, Jack? I don't know.
Want to put a table in between these two original buses?
I think the plan is really well thought out, is what you're saying.
Yes.
You
yes.
got a lot of lofty goals. We'll see how you execute it, basically.
Exactly.
But I did want to point out this fancy, somebody bedazzled my favorite portion of the bus. I'm not sure who purchased this cute little beauty over here, but
15 high school kids in a bus on a road trip. What could possibly go wrong?
what could possibly
I think
go
is
wrong?
the question
Who's
there.
all going to survive after
Yeah.
today? Dun, dun, dun. Well, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Yes, good luck.
Oh, we actually have.
Oh, we got the Comanche.
There is a communist car which didn't
perfect.
register. It's a Trabant.
Wow.
Now the key to the Trabant. Yeah. The key to the
Come on
Trabant
in.
is they made the body panels on these cars out of glue and cotton mill waste. And they found that rodents really like to chew on the panels, so they infused the panels with DDT. This car is actually toxic
Perfect.
in more ways than one.
So it come equipped with
It's
rats.
an East German car. Yeah, in next to the Beetle. It's an East German car, so we'll put it in the German class.
Okay,
We've
fair
kind of
enough.
kept the German and Japanese and Italian class on one side, so the Axis powers over here.
Okay.
All the Allied powers over here with the American cars, French, British cars, which none of the British cars made it today.
Oh, they didn't.
That's not a
Oh,
common. That's a very common thing. A
no.
lot of them break down on the way.
Oh well.
But we've
So-
got
such a British.
some fairly amazing cars.
Can we
in-
look at the tiniest minivan I've ever seen
Yes,
in my
we can.
life? How tall are you, Alan?
I am 6'7".
6'7". Can we have you stand next to this beautiful, tiny, pint-sized, tiny
This
vehicle?
is a 1992 Honda Today.
I hope somebody's getting a picture of this, 'cause
And
this is truly amazing.
this is probably one of the smallest. There is a smaller car on the field here today.
Is there?
But this is one of the smallest.
Wow. Do you think you could
Right-hand
fit in this
drive.
thing?
I'm pretty sure I could fit in it because big car or big guy, little car, always funny.
Big guy,
Here.
little car.
Nope, not getting in this one. Not without. I could take the front seat out and sit in the back, but otherwise,
perfect.
no way.
Wow. So tiny. It's so cute. It just like makes me want to smile, really. All right, what else do we got?
We have got probably the world's worst Lamborghini Countach.
Wow. I
And-
would use the word Countach lightly.
Yeah,
for this.
it's it really isn't a Countach if you haven't figured out yet. This is a kit car, probably in a few stages of still being done.
Yes. So I saw this guy actually pulling in and backing into this spot. Mm-hmm. It was the most horrifying thing I've ever experienced.
I was
in my
standing
life.
behind him, and it was I wanted to
Even
run.
scarier for you.
Speaking of backing up, there is a car over here that we really need to check out.
Let's go see it. Oh, we got a taxi cab here. Need a ride later.
So this is our Rust Belt American Junk Ford class, and it's probably one of the nicest Pintos station wagons you ever want to see.
Wow.
And you have to check out the license plate. Kaboom.
Kaboom, baby.
But take a look at this car. The judges will be out here this afternoon going over all these classes, and it's actually kind of hard to pick a winner out
Yeah,
of these.
well, I see somebody bribed you already.
They have indeed. We do encourage
We
bribing
take
of the
bribes
judges.
here,
And here in Greenwich, we round up to the nearest $1 million.
so everybody pull out your wallets.
So you'll be able to see who wins, worst of show, best back seat
Right.
at
And it
12:30.
is truly an honor, folks. Don't
And it'll
take
be
those
on the
awards lightly.
Jumbotron. It'll be fantastic for everyone to see.
Oh,
Lots
yeah.
of laughs.
And I heard you got great prizes.
We do. It's stuff we bought at the dollar store last night. It doesn't get much better than that.
It doesn't
so.
get much better than that. Well, perfect. So we got some great cars here. We had some fun
Yep.
chit-chatting around.
Come on by, talk to the owners. The stories behind some of these are just absolutely
Truly
amazing.
amazing. We even have a car for sale over here. So if anyone's in the market, pull out those dollars. Or I can get bribe.
Yes, indeed.
Well, thanks, guys, for hanging out with us. And enjoy the rest of your day.